Earth from space, like you've never seen before. For millennia, humanity has gazed at the stars in awe, wondering about our place in the universe. Yet it was only in the mid-20th century that we turned our eyes inward, toward the planet we call home. From the first blurry satellite images to the vivid, high-resolution photographs captured by modern technology, viewing Earth from space has transformed how we perceive our world. It's not just a scientific achievement. It's a profoundly emotional experience that reveals Earth in all its beauty, fragility, and interconnectedness. The Pale Blue, a new perspective. The most iconic image of Earth from space, the Pale Blue, was captured by the Voyager 1 spacecraft in 1990 from a distance of 3.7 billion miles. In that image, Earth appears as a tiny speck suspended in a vast cosmic void. This humbling perspective reminds us of our shared humanity and the interconnectedness of life on this fragile planet. As Carl Sagan, who inspired the image, said, "That's here. That's home. That's us." Seeing Earth from space reshapes our understanding of its scale. From the ground, the planet feels immense and limitless. From space, however, it is a delicate sphere with a thin atmosphere that sustains all known life. This contrast sparks a sense of responsibility to protect the only home we have. The first glimpses. In 1946, a modified V-2 rocket launched from New Mexico provided humanity with its first grainy black and white images of Earth from above. These early pictures, taken from 65 miles above the surface, hinted at the vastness and curvature of the planet. While crude by today's standards, they ignited a new era of exploration. The watershed moment came on December 24, 1968, during the Apollo 8 mission. Astronaut William Anders took the famous Earthrise photograph, capturing Earth as a vibrant blue and white orb rising over the moon's barren horizon. For the first time, humanity saw its home from the vantage point of deep space, a sight that profoundly moved those who witnessed it. The image symbolized unity and sparked the modern environmental movement, underscoring the importance of caring for our shared home. Modern views. Technology meets awe. Today, satellite imagery and space telescopes provide unprecedented views of Earth. NASA's Deep Space Climate Observatory, SCOV, captures daily images of the entire sunlit side of the planet, offering real-time glimpses of changing weather patterns, ocean currents, and seasonal shifts. The International Space Station, ISS, orbiting at an altitude of about 250 miles, delivers breathtaking views of auroras, lightning storms, and sprawling city lights at night. These images not only inspire, but also inform. Satellite data is critical for monitoring climate change, tracking deforestation, and responding to natural disasters. For example, satellites can pinpoint the extent of wildfires or the progression of hurricanes, helping to save lives and mitigate damage. The colors of Earth. From space, Earth is a masterpiece of color. The deep blue oceans, covering 71% of the planet's surface, shimmer with sunlight and reflect the sky. White clouds swirl in intricate patterns, while the poles gleam with icy brilliance. Green and brown landmasses contrast with deserts like the Sahara, whose golden sands stretch endlessly. At night, the planet transforms, as artificial lights trace the outlines of cities, highways, and coastlines. One of the most striking phenomena visible from space is the aurora borealis and aurora australis, the northern and southern lights. These ethereal displays, caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with Earth's magnetic field, dance across the polar skies in hues of green, pink, and purple, captivating astronauts aboard the ISS. The fragile atmosphere. From orbit, Earth's atmosphere appears as a thin blue line hugging the planet's surface. This slender layer, just a few miles thick, is all that separates life from the harsh vacuum of space. It underscores the fragility of our existence and the importance of preserving this life-supporting envelope. Astronauts often describe a profound sense of responsibility when viewing Earth from space. Known as the overview effect, this cognitive shift stems from seeing the planet without political borders, just one interconnected system. Many astronauts return to Earth with a renewed commitment to environmental stewardship, advocating for sustainable practices and global cooperation. Beyond the Earth, images of Earth from other celestial bodies offer a unique perspective. The blue marble photograph, taken by the Apollo 17 crew in 1972, shows the planet fully illuminated against the blackness of space. It remains one of the most reproduced images in history. Similarly, the Cassini spacecraft captured Earth as a tiny, beneath Saturn's rings in 2013, emphasizing our place within the vastness of the solar system. These images remind us of the grandeur of the cosmos and the uniqueness of our planet. The role of art and storytelling. Beyond scientific imagery, artists and filmmakers have drawn inspiration from space perspectives to tell stories about Earth. From speculative depictions of our planet in science fiction to documentaries like The Farthest and Planet Earth, these works bridge the gap between science and imagination, making the beauty and vulnerability of our planet accessible to all. Earth as a shared responsibility. The view of Earth from space isn't just a marvel, it's a call to action. The visible effects of climate change, from melting glaciers to sprawling wildfires, are reminders of humanity's impact on the planet. Space-based observations have become essential for tracking these changes and informing policies to address them. Moreover, the unity seen from space, an Earth without borders, contrasts with the divisions and conflicts that often dominate life on the ground. This perspective encourages collaboration on global challenges, from environmental conservation to space exploration itself. A future beyond Earth. As humanity dreams of exploring Mars and other worlds, the view of Earth from space takes on added significance. It reminds us of what we stand to lose if we don't protect our home. It also serves as a benchmark for what we hope to find elsewhere, a planet as vibrant and life-filled as our own. Efforts like the Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the Moon, and SpaceX's plans for Mars colonization, ensure that Earth will always be our first point of reference, a reminder of where we began. Conclusion. Seeing Earth from space is an experience that transcends science, inspiring awe, humility, and a deep sense of connection. It's a view that challenges us to see beyond our daily lives, to embrace our role as stewards of this extraordinary planet. As technology advances and more people journey to space, the hope is that this perspective will continue to shape our relationship with Earth, fostering a global commitment to its preservation. In the words of astronaut Edgar Mitchell, you develop an instant global consciousness, an intense dissatisfaction with the state of the world, and a compulsion to do something about it. Through the eyes of space, we see Earth not just as a planet, but as a home worth protecting for generations to come.